Loria Medical presents Discover a New You, Permanent Increase in Erect Length. Dr. Loria of Loria Medical has developed his own technique to release the suspensory ligament of the penis and increase the erect length. First, careful measurements are taken of the penile shaft erect length. It is important to know what the starting penile shaft erect length is before the procedure, so we can then compare the erect length gains after the procedure. Before the procedure begins, antiseptic will be placed. This will help prevent infection. Then the penile area is numbed with local anesthetics. A small U-shaped incision will be made in the pubic area. The pubic skin will be gently lifted downwards to gain access to the tissue and ligaments below. One finger is placed into the incision area, and with mild to moderate pressure, the finger will assist to release the ligaments from the pubic symphysis. The LorSpecer is specifically designed to be placed between the pubic symphysis and the penile shaft. The LorSpecer is needed to prevent the penile shaft from reforming the ligaments. Please note that it is very important to not only release the ligaments, but to also move the top skin tissue forward. So both the release of the ligaments move the penile shaft forward, and moving the top skin tissue also is needed to move the penile shaft forward. Dissolvable sutures will be placed to close this Y-shaped incision area. Antiseptic will be placed. Topical medications will be placed to assist with skin healing. A small band-aid will be placed to cover the sutured area. A stretching device will be placed. This device is attached to the penile shaft at one end and to the leg at the other end. This is important because it will help keep the penile shaft outstretched, helping to keep it away from trying to reattach its ligaments to the LorSpecer and/or pubic symphysis area. As you can see, the projected gain in this case is up to 1 full inch in penile shaft erect length. Please note that scar tissue or fibrosis can form, which may pull the penile shaft back to its original position, thereby limiting the erect lengthening results. To avoid or prevent this, it is critical to take all of your medications, in addition to keeping the stretching device in place for 6 weeks. For more information, call 877 Dr. Loria or send us an email with any questions to info@loriamedical.com.